Hello everyone, this is Abdullah with 6 Minute Chinese. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to exchange the greeting in Chinese. Actually, in different country, people exchange their greeting in different way. But in this video, I'm going to teach you how Chinese people exchange their greetings. So let's get started. In Chinese, called Nihao, it means hello. Ni, its third tone. Always remember the tone because Chinese is a tone language. Ni, ni, hao. Ni means you, hao means good. When we put it together, it means hello. It means hello. Hello, ni, hao. Please repeat after me, then it will be easy for you to understand. Ni, hao. Ni, hao. Hello. How are you? How are you? Ni hao ma. Always remember ma is used for question. Ma is always used for question. When at the end of the sentence we put ma, it means it question sentence. Ni hao ma. How are you? Ni hao ma. It means how are you? When we ask someone, how are you? The answer can be different. It's depend on the actual situation. Suppose you are good, then you can say very well. Han hao, han hao, han hao. Han means very or much. Han means very or much. How means good or well. Han how means very good or very well. Han how means very well. Please repeat after me. You can also answer like comparatively good. Comparatively good. If you are better than before, then you can say comparatively good. 比较比较 it means comparatively or relatively. 比较 how 比较 how it means comparatively good. Comparatively good. You also can answer like not so good. Not so good. 不太好，不太好。不 means not. 不 means not in Chinese. Thai means so. Thai means so. How means good. 不太好 it means not so good. Please repeat after me. 不太好 it means not so good. Long time no see. Long time no see. 好久 it means long time. 好久 means long time in Chinese. 好久 means long time. 不见 means to see. Jian means to see. Jian means to see. When we put it together, it means long time no see. Long time no see. 好久不见. Long time no see. 好久不见. Please repeat after me, then it will be easy for you to understand. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Han means very. Han means very. Gao Xing means happy. Gao Xing means happy. Ran Shi means know, to know someone. Ran Shi means know, to know someone. Ni means you. So it means very happy to know you. Very happy to know you or nice to meet you. Very happy to know you or nice to meet you. Han Gao Xing Ran Shi Ni. Han Gao Xing Ran Shi Ni. Repeat after me. Han Gaoxing Ranshini. Han Gaoxing Ranshini. It means nice to meet you or happy, very happy to know you. Very happy to know you. Good morning. Good morning. Zhao Shang. Zhao. Zhao Shang. Zhao Shang means morning. Zhao Shang means morning. How means good. When you put it together, it means Zhao Shang Hao means good morning. Zhao Shang Hao means good morning. Good evening. Good evening. Wan Shang Hao. Wan. It pronounced like one. Wan. Wan. Shang. Wan. Shang. Shang is neutral tone. Shang is neutral tone. Wan Shang Hao. It means good evening. Wan Shang Hao means good evening. Please repeat after me, then it will be easy for you to understand. Good evening, Wan Shang Hao. Good evening, Wan Shang Hao. Goodbye. Goodbye. Jai. Jian. Jai. Jian. Jai. Jai. Jian means goodbye. Here, Jai means again. Jai means again. Jian means to see. Jian means to see. It means see you again or goodbye. See you again or goodbye. Jai Jian means see you again or goodbye. That's all about our today lesson. If you think it is useful for you, please subscribe and share with your friend and press the bell icon to get every notification from our channel. Jai Jian.